Yo, what's going on, you guys? So it's crazy early Sunday morning. We're here with Will's 911, and we're gonna go meet up with a bunch of these P Club guys and cruise over to this Porsche shop. So some good content coming you guys' way. Stay tuned. Will's car right now is looking crazy fresh on the E88s and the brand new Olins, as you guys can see. But yeah, we're gonna go cruise around. What was that? We're gonna go cruise around with a bunch of the P Club guys and show you guys some content. So stick around.
Trying to be crazy, trying to be crazy. She wanted me crazy. The bitch is a baby. I'm fucking up. I'm saying that I can't. I told them I can't.
Why is this split?
I don't know, dude.
Which way am I going though, bro?
We're gonna meet up with those other guys. Yeah, so we got kicked out of the spot apparently.
Squad. I mean, they're all coming in here, dude.
The spec. A lot of cars here today. These center caps, right?
Exact same thing.
Yeah.
Guys.
What is this, dude? Is this the new old? This is the new old wide body, bro. GT3. 2RS. Yeah, that's a nice color. Got the lit ass roll cage, dude. Oh, it's a GT2RS, bro. That's a turbo. So what? 991.2.
But they all come with that center.
Yeah, the .2s.
This car's not gonna keep up.
This one? This one's fast. GTS. Woo!
Oh, this guy got the full badge, kid.
Yeah, you got the full badges. Wait, is the roll cage stock in this car?
Yeah.
Is it?
Dude, all of that.
I didn't know that, dude. Gotta walk all the way up here, dude. Wheels are these? TEs.
These are the new ones.
Yeah, the Ultras.
1918.
Apparently. Normal 911?
My member looks like this guy's.
Yeah. Pretty much. So you don't have the... You just need to get wider tires, dude.
Center caps.
Yeah. Dude, he put his front plate on, bro.
Yeah, this car was fucking alive.
This shit looks sick. Damn, these seats are sick, dude.
We'll hit Mulholland, and that will be a stopping point that's not on any of your maps. It's you make a right on Mulholland.
Bro, is this the best car here, Will?
What, mine?
This one right here, dude. What do you think, dude?
Random guys like, fuck. I'm trying to be with the GT2, you know?
Yeah, the blue one. He's gonna get pulled over before you, bro.
Oh, he's gonna just bone out.
Yeah, this is the license plate right here, boys. Which S2000 is your favorite?
Blue eye.
The blue S2000? One more police. Ooh, were you scared right there, Will?
Dude, that no front plate,
That
bro.
cop, dude. That, ooh.
Yeah, should have sniped behind the GT3 again.
They're sending so many cops to tell us to leave. There's so many cops going there. That was 5.
One snitched us out.
Oh shit. There's another one, dude.
I remember last time it was double.
Yeah, there's 2, dude. There's 2 tunnels, bro. Everyone's like, woo, everyone's like, I gotta break, gotta break. Ooh, ooh.
Pretty loud.
Pretty loud, dude. We're headed to House Automotive. And Will's favorite actor is gonna be there, right, Will? Son Kang, bro. Han, dude. I heard he's gonna have the Veilside RX-7 there.
Modifications, I know a lot of you club guys are into steering wheels, exhaust, all this stuff. We have a line of product from like Sharkworks and
Mm-hmm.